So far, we've been building WordPress on our local computer. But if you want anyone in the world to see your website, to visit your website, then you need web hosting. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase hosting with Hostinger and prepare the website to go live. So this is the homepage of Hostinger, and Hostinger is an online platform that you host your websites on. So the difference from the local and hosting is local means it's on your PC, you are the only one that sees it, and online platform like Hostinger means everyone sees it. Okay, you can share it for everyone to see it on the internet. So think of hosting as the home where your website lives. When people visit your website, they are actually opening files stored on your hosting server. Without hosting, nobody can access your website. So people will visit your domain and it will direct them to your hosting platform. And the hosting is where your website servers, or I mean your website files will be, your database, your images, and WordPress. A domain is your website address. Hosting is where your website files are stored. So make sure you don't forget this. There are lots of hosting companies, SiteGround, Bluehost, Summerhost, a lot, even WordPress.com. As I showed in my previous video, it's also a hosting platform. So this is our WordPress series, and this topic is hosting. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, and I'm going to give you a free tip at the end of this video that is going to save you a lot as a beginner, and you avoid some mistakes most beginners make. So let's go ahead and click start now. Let's see what hosting has for us. So the first thing you do, usually you just go ahead and get your pricing. Sometimes you do your competitor research, right? You can just check your competitor research, check other platforms. As I said, this video focuses on hosting and nothing else. So we have our plans. This is a premium plan. This is the premium plan, which you're going to pay 2.39 and you renew at 11.99. So you can choose your plan. This has 3 websites, a free domain. Hosting can always give you a free domain for 1 year. This gives you 20 gig and free weekly backups. Okay. Yeah, and they have biocoding credits of 5 credits. You can host WordPress only as well and drag and drop websites builder. And this is the usual one that people usually use. That is why it looks like it's a different color. It starts at $3, renews at $18. So renews basically means the next year, okay, or if they are not running any promotion, that is the price you are buying it for. So when you choose your plan, it has unlimited websites, but unlimited doesn't mean you can just bloat the hosting package and actually save unlimited website. No, you are limited to 50 gig. So if you are buying hosting and building for your clients, you have to check. Maybe you buy 50 gig and you save or you build 5 websites on it. So 10 gig for each website, or you can just do your plus and minus, maybe 5 gig for each website. That means you have to go more, okay? But you can't just go and bloat it like 20 websites because it says unlimited. Okay, because sometimes some websites like e-commerce website, business website, they take a lot of space. One website can take 5 gig probably. You get it? Yeah, so free daily backups. Okay, so that means you are rest assured that if anything messes up, you can just go to your hosting platform and restore. All right. AI tools, 247 expert support. So if anything, you can just chat them and they'll respond. Vibe coding credits, WordPress, and you can also host Node.js applications or website on it. So this cloud setup also exists and you can go through. What we are going to choose right now is this plan, right? This plan, this beautiful plan. Let's go ahead and click choose plan. And it will prompt you to sign in. So just go ahead and sign in. So when you sign in, you can select either for 1 month. 1 month, this is the amount that you're going to pay, $18, and 12 months. So it's not like the $3 that you saw, that's what you are paying on. They will actually times it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to pay, $49, and they are going to give you a free domain for 1 year. So you can just go ahead and search any domain that you want. I just searched bluepigGH.com. So that is the domain that I'm going to use for this setup. All right. So sometimes you have to be careful. Initially they put me on 2 years, which they are trying to be smart, So have to be careful. Make sure you check all the settings so that you don't overpay for something you're not, something you don't plan to pay. Right. So after everything, they say you can get 30 days money back guaranteed. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, let's go ahead and continue payment and add your payment information, and we meet at the other side. Yeah, so we are live in our hosting app, hPanel. That's what they call their dashboard, hPanel. For whatever reason, I don't know, but let's just call it hPanel. So what we are going to do is create a new website, and we are going to choose WordPress, and we click on next, and we are going to just use our domain. All right, owned. Yes, you can also choose to use a temporary domain as well. All right, so after you doing all the setups, it's going to install WordPress on your hosting and your domain. So it's going to take a while, then we'll start building. So just hang around. There we go. So we are live in our hosting app or WordPress dashboard. So this is hPanel, which controls your hosting app account. So you can just go to your hosting platform by just clicking on that link. This link, right, when you click on it, it takes you to your hPanel, and this is hosting S dashboard. This is the domain that we are using. This is the website IP address. This is our disk space and our RAM, 3 gig. And yeah, so if you want to sign up, if you want to build your websites online, there's a link in the description that you can use to get your hosting account. Check the description and use my link, and it's going to give you discount. Okay, you're going to get a discount when you use the link as well, so check it out. So I'm going to do a quick tour of this hosting dashboard, right? So this is our website. So we already have WordPress installed, which is WordPress. So you can just, let's say we don't have WordPress, we are starting afresh, we can start afresh and select WordPress. And this is where you can search your domain and DNS settings and emails. On this section, you can manage your emails here, as the name suggests. It looks complex, but it's really nothing. All you need is website. So when you go to your website and you want to enter your WordPress, you can just click on WP admin, and it's going to take you to your WordPress website. So you don't really have to log in always. You just need to click on that and it will take you to your WordPress admin area. And always make sure you verify your domain so that they know that it is real. Okay, so verify your email and refresh. So you can see I verified now, then everything is now clear for you to start working. If you are wondering how to verify, just go to your email. You'll notice that you've received a verification email from hosting. I just click on verify, and that is all. So if you are wondering how to build websites, I have created this WordPress client blueprint, right? That you need, and it's going to guide you in what you need to do. It's going to guide you to clarify the business goals, define your target audience, confirm required pages, prepare your site copy, brand assets, useful images. It contains a lot. It's going to help you set up your domain hosting and a lot more as well. It's going to also help you with clients checklist as well as AI prompt pack. Okay, checklist pack, design rules, which is for example, right? You can get design rules like H1, H2, carding, and body paragraphs, a lot of design rules on mobile and on desktop as well. You're going to get prompt that you can use for your project, right? So all you need is to check it out, and it's good for freelancers, WordPress designers, beginners in web developers, and it's giving you a clear route from direction to handing over to your client. You ask me, why do you need to read this book? It's going to build you a lot, and it's going to help you to apply consistency in building your websites. And it's going to take you from a beginner to pro without any experience at all in building WordPress websites. You are going to get useful practical workflows as well, and you'll be able to prepare a client handover and maintenance process. So with this book, it will teach you how to prepare client handover and maintenance process. Make sure you keep your client also. You are going to keep your client. You're not just going to build the website and hand over. It will make sure your client becomes a recurring money for you. So all you need is to check this book out, get a blueprint, and you can get 50% discount through this YouTube channel. Use the promo code YouTube 50. Okay, use the promo code YouTube 50. When you come to the website, just type YouTube 50 here and apply the code. So when you apply the code, you can see 50% discount. Okay, so go ahead and get it, build website, make money. All right. If this video is helpful, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel as usual. Anyway, before we sign out, let's clarify one thing, right? When you click on hPanel, you go to your hosting app. I want to save you from one beginner mistake that I did when I was first starting out. So when you are on your WordPress section, you can buy your hosting, but make sure you can use it for more websites. So all you need to do is click here, right, to add website, and you choose website like WordPress. You start building. Beginner mistake, you buy very expensive hosting and you just build one website for one client. It's not good. You can probably use it again and again, but make sure you use your space wisely. So that is all I have for you. Just a cool tip for you.